So welcome to this video, guys. In this video I'm going to show you that how I would add my audio tag on this particular video which I have already created. So the thing is, I already have this audio tag created, and how to create this would be there in separate video. Probably you will find that in one of my playlists called Final Cut Pro X. So in that playlist you might find one of the other video where I would teach you how to create this kind of audio tag for yourself or for your brand. And now what I want is, I actually want that video to be, or my audio tag to be right over here, all right, somewhere over here, because that's the point where I finish my first dialogue. So this is what I want right over here. So I'll say Command B, I'll press Command B on my Mac, and right over here I will also take a screenshot, right, because I want this screen to be paused at that moment when this audio tag is playing. So what I'll do is I'll just expand the screen and I'll click somewhere right over here, and then I'll say Command Shift and 4. So that gives me a by default screenshot to be taken area. So I'll take this much of a screenshot, and now I'll just import this screenshot. So yep, there you go. So I will just upload this screenshot now. Here it is, and I'll keep it over here. Let's collapse this and bring this audio tag right over here, and I will say Command B, and I'll delete that much part that was unnecessary. Now what I'll do is, so let me just play a little bit so that you can get to know. Obviously the sound is muted, but this is how it will go. My audio tag would come down, and that's it. But when the audio tag is coming down and going, I want this particular clip to be a little bit shaky, like an earthquake effect, just like this audio tag, and I want that to be a little bit of a different color as well. So I'll go into this color presets, I'll go into color, and I'll select this colorize effect, and I will also add this black and white effect. And now what I'll do is I would just search for all video and video, and inside that I'll search for earthquake, and I will add that earthquake effect as well over here. Now let's play this, how it goes. So if I play this, this is how it would look like. All right, so that's the effect which I want, and that's it. That's how you add your audio tag to your video, and I hope you love this. Let me know if you have any questions, and I would try my best to bring some another value in my next one.